My name is Brian Yates. I'm an instructor with Precision Machining here at Pinellas Technical College. This is our display cabinet here of some of the things that the students will be making here in our course. We are also a NIMS certified facility. It's an industrial certification for our trade. NIMS is National Institute for Metalworking Skills, so we do have an industrial certification for our trade. Your pens, the molds were made for this, glasses, just about everything you touch today started out in the machine shop somewhere. Designers and engineers. The best designers and the best engineers are the ones that started out here in machining, okay? Because now they can design parts for the manufacturability. So when they design parts, we will be able to actually machine it. There on the mill side, except it's going to be more precision. We're going to work with tighter tolerances, and you're going to get a nicer finish on your part because we're using a grinding wheel to grind it. What he's done is put his part on the table up here on this optical comparator. The light shines through it, puts the profile up here on the screen, and now he can use the digital readout, X and Y axis, to take measurements of the part. Programmed a turning tool to turn these diameters. He programmed a groove tool to go in here to groove, to put a thread relief groove in here, and then he threaded it with a threading tool. These mill parts right here, of course, this was just solid material here, and we talked about how the student is going to program these holes, these slots, okay, and he's going to run it on the machine in the end mill. We're going to use an end mill for all this, which is a cutter, and it's going to machine that profile in there. This micro head will read within 1/10, okay? And it's all done with this probe right here. The student touches this part with that probe, and it gives them a reading over here on this readout right here.